We are homeless. We just live in our car.
Kala mo walang video, pero may video yan.
Ha?
Kasi nakasalamin tayo talaga.
Wala naman ako sinabi.
And we're having In-N-Out right now. The best. Masarap yung In-N-Out.
Ah!
Nabalik na siya.
I'm giving you Lake Tahoe because of that water. The stone and the rock in the water. What are we learning from this? We're learning to appreciate nature.
Yes.
That life should just be simple, and you just have to live very simply.
Yeah.
And that
Right.
you can enjoy nature without having to spend a lot of money.
Right.
I didn't even have to spend money going here.
I know you're free.
I didn't.